Wait till you guys see these frappe drinks. They are so good. What is up, guys? This is Jen of all trades. Today, I wanted to do a little review, a different kind of review that I haven't done before. A food product, drink product, something that you consume. So it is a frappe drink thing that I found at Walmart for $1.24. So these are so freaking cool that I wanted to kind of show you what I got and how I prepared the drinks and talk about how they tasted. So watch this video. Here we go. Right this way. The very first one I am trying is the Java Chip. This one is a coffee drink and it does have caffeine. So a coffee drinker like me is yay! So you mix it with 5 ounces of water or milk and you mix the entire bean bag thing in there, and then some ice, 1.5 cups of ice, and we're good. There is my 5 ounces of milk that I measured. You dump it into the blender. Yum! The next thing I do is dump the contents of the package into the blender. Yummy chocolatey goodness. And then after that is my ice. For whatever reason I decided to put it in a measuring cup and dump it, when in reality you need about 9 ice cubes. It works just the same. I used way too much ice the first time. But it's a learning curve and that's why I'm here to show you so you can learn from my mistakes and don't do what I did. But anyways, you put the top on the blender and blend it to a yummy goodness. Are you ready? Get ready to hold your ears! No, okay, sorry. Sorry if you're wearing headphones, I didn't mean to. Okay, so I blended it. It went really nicely aside from a few ice cubes getting stuck in the blender, but it worked out pretty well. Here's another fail for you. Okay, so here, I just imagine me dumping it into a cup and it pouring out so lovely like a smoothie that you see in the movies. Here we go. No. Okay, it didn't work, so I had to get a spoon and scoop it out. But this is the final result. Yes, it's so good. It really, really was like a Java Chip frappe that you buy at Starbucks, except I did it at home and paid $1. Yes, so good. And this is just a recap of showing you this is what I used for this one and what it looks like. For the second one, I got the unicorn frappe because I was never able to get the one at Starbucks because every time I went there, they were sold out. What do you know? So I decided to make one at home instead. So again, 5 ounces of milk or water with the packet of stuff and the ice. So here's me dumping the milk into the blender. And then after that, you'll get the packet of stuff. Now, what was cool about this is it looks like a white powder with rainbow sprinkles, and you dump it in, and wait till I blend it, and you see what it really turns out like. So anyways, I used my brain this time, and used ice cubes, just 9 ice cubes, instead of putting them in a measuring cup. So here you go again with the blender. Blendy, blendy. Here's a satisfying view. Yes. So good. And the final result. Once again, I tried and it didn't work. So you need a spoon for this. Which is cool because I like my milkshakes thick anyway. If that's what you want to call this milkshake frappe thing. The cool thing about this is it smelled like bubblegum and then it tasted like cotton candy. It was very good, and this is a caffeine-free version drink thing. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. I did, after having these two, I went back to the store and they have salted caramel, they have a cotton candy one, and they had a cookies and cream one. And so far I did try the cookies and cream one and it is so good. My favorite thing about this is it's not that bad for you. And it's literally a packet of shit and water or milk and ice. So super easy to make, and it's not ice cream, but it's like a freaking ice cream smoothie or some shit. So good. You should try it. Go to Walmart right now. $1.24. Yes. I recommend it. But one packet gets one glass, one good size glass anyway for me. And the secret word for this video for the giveaway is yummy! Yummy, yummy in your tummy. Tummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy is the secret word for the giveaway. And I'm going to give you 2 more entries. What? 2 more entries into the giveaway. Make sure that you comment that below. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I do have a giveaway going on right now through August the 16th, 2018. That giveaway video will be linked here and also below. Make sure you check it out for all of the rules and how to enter and what you can win. Go see what you are winning in a few weeks. A week. Okay, yeah. So, yes. Go check it out and good luck. So, yes, I hope you like this video. Like this video. Click that little like button down there. Right there. Or, yes, there. And then also over here, subscribe for more awesome videos. Make sure you turn on that bell for the notification so you never miss another awesome video by me. Alrighty, I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye.